Master the art of problem solving. In this video, we'll explore the 5 whys method, compare it to other frameworks, and show you how to diagram your own analysis in Lucidchart. Before we dive into the how, let's look at the what and who. Understanding the foundation of this method is key to applying it effectively to your business processes. What is the 5 whys method? It is an iterative interrogative technique used to explore cause and effect relationships. By repeating why 5 times, you peel away layers of symptoms to find the root cause. Who created the 5 whys method? Sakichi Toyoda, the founder of Toyota Industries, developed it in the 1930s. It remains a cornerstone of the Toyota production system and lean manufacturing today. 5 whys versus fishbone, Ishikawa diagram. The 5 whys is best for linear, simpler problems. A fishbone diagram is better for complex issues involving many categories like environment, machines, or people. When should I use the 5 whys technique? Use it for troubleshooting and quality improvement when dealing with non-complex problems. It's perfect for stable processes where you need a quick, collaborative solution. Success depends on the people in the room. Let's look at how to facilitate a productive session that moves beyond surface-level symptoms and gets to the heart of the issue. How to conduct a 5 whys analysis session. Start by assembling a cross-functional team. Define the problem clearly. Ask the first why, repeat 4 more times, and then assign actionable countermeasures. Now, let's get hands-on. We'll show you the exact steps to build a professional 5 whys diagram using Lucidchart's intelligent diagramming features. Step-by-step tutorial. How to diagram a 5 whys analysis. Start by opening a 5 whys template or a blank document. Place your problem statement in a shape at the top of the canvas. Drag out a line from your problem statement and create a new shape for your first why. Repeat this process, creating a vertical or horizontal chain of shapes for each answer. Use Lucidchart's formatting tools to distinguish the root cause. You can change the shape color or add a border to make the final answer stand out to stakeholders. Once your diagram is complete, share it with your team for final review. With Lucidchart, you can ensure everyone is aligned on the root cause and the path forward. Ready to find your root cause? Head over to lucidchart.com to start your 5 whys analysis today. Thanks for watching, and happy diagramming!